SpaceX. As you can see, the team is hard at work on the fuselage. We use advanced riveting techniques. Every component is meticulously engineered to ensure unparalleled performance and safety. The complete silver flight is ready for testing. And this is the process of how we make it.
The lift distribution needs optimization for high-altitude performance.
We need to integrate the new thrust vectoring system here, but consider the weight constraints on the specialized materials.
We need to optimize the seat pitch here for long-haul comfort.
I agree, but that impacts the galley space layout.
Yeah, that.
The CFD results on the new airfoil look promising.
Yes, the efficiency gains are significant at high altitude.
If we adjust the thrust vectoring here, we improve stability.
Yes, that resolves the aerodynamic stress issue. Proceed with this iteration.
Monitor the altitude against the drag coefficient.
It's holding steady through the ascent phase. The flap mechanism is responding perfectly.
The stress simulation shows a critical failure point at the wing joint.
Rerouting the aerodynamics now.
The stress load is optimized for the new wing structure.
Excellent work. This meets all requirements. We are ready for production.
Absolutely. Let's move forward.
The design phase is officially complete. We are now ready to transition to production.
Confirm alignment on the starboard wing.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding to Station 4.
The measurements are precise. No subsurface issues detected.
Excellent. Let's move this to the approved section.
Lower the starboard wing 5 centimeters.
Copy that. Lowering now.
Alignment looks good. Prepare for securing.
Check the tolerance on sector gamma.
Looks stable. All parameters are within spec. We can approve this one.
Bring the starboard wing down slowly. Confirm clearance on cell 4.
Confirming alignment on Sector 4. Proceed with lowering. Engaging torque wrench now.
Harness secure. Power-up sequence initiated. Green light on channel 7. Looks fully operational.
Systems check nominal. All parameters reading green.
Secure that panel tightly. We need to move to the next row.
The wiring harness is connected. Check the diagnostics.
That should do it. Looks aligned.
Yes, the airflow seems correct. We are finished here.
Check the trailing edge right here.
Running the localized CFD now. Looks stable, well within parameters.
Latch engagement is good. Opening the egress.
Pressure stabilizing normally.
Seal check complete.
Pressure reading confirmed.
Initiating spray test now. System reports green, all clear.
Running the load test. Check the fluctuation on the main grid.
Looks stable. The battery engaged exactly as expected.
We are seeing some instability here at 40,000 pounds.
It is within the acceptable margin, but let us watch the strain gauges on panel 7.
Jump and slide. Keep moving. Let's go. Let's go.
Evacuate. Jump and slide. Keep moving quickly now.
Go. 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 Lower the crane 5 centimeters. Steady, steady. We have alignment. Start the sequence.
torque wrench engaged on panel 7.
Reading green across the board, the connection is solid. Compatibility looks solid on this circuit.
Interface confirms. We are good to proceed.
Handle released. Opening smoothly.
Seal is good. Go ahead and close it up. Scan complete. All parameters nominal.
Check the readings on the tablet.
All parameters nominal. We are secure.
Lower it just a fraction.
Setting the alignment pin now.
Okay, the mount is secure. Proceed with the fuel lines.
Watch the clearance on the left side. Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly. We need the torque wrench over here.
All green on the torque specs. And the hatch cycles smoothly. Good to go.
Seatbelt mechanism checked and secure.
Overhead systems are green. Logging the entry now.
All systems check complete. You are clear to proceed to the taxiway.
Roger that. Moving forward now.
All systems check complete. You are clear to proceed to the taxiway.
Roger that. Moving forward now.
The base coat looks even. No inconsistencies detected.
Detaching the connector now.
Pressure levels are nominal. Inspection complete.
Checking full travel, pitch up,
Confirmed. Roll left, then right.
and centered.
All systems nominal.
Warning light on engine 3. We're losing stabilization.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics.
Torque setting is good. Pressure check steady at 2,000 psi.
Confirmed. Secure the panel. Okay, rescue system check complete. Signing off.
Pressure checks are stable across the board.
Affirmative. The aircraft is cleared for flight.